there's no discussion at all in this line, and we are here as an MDA. We're working very aggressively to take the state forward. So there is no discussion, no issue, no talks in this line at all. No, I've said, as I said, the election is very far away. It's not something that one has discussed anything with anybody. But the talks that are coming in now is baseless. We have not had any discussion with anybody in this line. Right now, we are happy where we are, the way we are working. The coalition partners who are with the MDA here have shown full commitment and loyalty. And as the leading party in the coalition, we are also very much committed to our coalition partners to ensure that we will complete our term. No discussion in that line. See, at the end of the day, it's all about politics, and elections will come. So therefore, whoever takes over, it will be a challenge either way. If person A takes over also, there will be some challenges. If person B takes over, there will be challenges. And it will be wrong for NPP to just simply underestimate or not take things seriously. So as a political party, it is our duty to ensure that we are always serious about what we do, not just as a government, but even as a political party. So therefore, everything that happens is something that's important to us, and it's the duty of the party and its leadership to ensure that we take all movements that are happening seriously.